What's good with y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tarantino. I'm back with another video. Today we doing something a little different, you know. I usually be doing the reactions and everything, but I'm testing out some things and, you know what I'm saying, just let me know what y'all think. But shit, today, excuse me, but today I'm gonna be trying that ghost pepper chicken from Popeyes. I know y'all probably heard of it, whatever. Look good. I ain't had Popeyes in a minute. Just thought I'd do something different, do a little review on it, and check something out. But yeah, so I got the Popeyes chicken, of course, the ghost pepper chicken, mashed potatoes. I don't know if that's focused or not. Mashed potatoes. You know what I'm saying? I got a little 6-piece and a biscuit. Hold on. Let me get a good view. Little 6-piece. 6-piece and a biscuit. But yeah. Just gonna try this out, see what this is hitting like. It look crispy though. Oh, they like the little wingettes. Of course, you know the biscuit definitely needs something to wash that down with. Oh, but the chicken crispy though. You know what I'm saying? So, feel a little crunch. Let me try this first. I was expecting for it to be hot. It's not even hot. I mean, it tastes like Popeyes, to be real. To be honest, like honest review, it really don't taste too much different. It just tastes like spicy Popeyes. It's not hot like you expect from like ghost pepper. I mean, it's good, but it ain't what I expected. Pretty much. But it definitely is hitting though. Excuse me. Take a sip of this drink here. Got me a fruit punch. I don't know who let y'all try this. Let me know what y'all think, cause I don't really taste no big difference in it. It just tastes like some regular spicy chicken from Popeyes. I know that it's probably a little loud, but it is what it is. Oh, alright. So now we're gonna try one. So now we're gonna try one with the like blackened ranch. Something different. I ain't never tried it, so we're gonna try the ghost pepper chicken with the blackened ranch. See if this hit different. See if it's a different, different vibe. Kind of good. Let's see. Let's see. Nice little. Okay. Hey, that's busting. Okay. Alright. Now, that's what I would recommend. Alright. If y'all get if you get this ghost pepper chicken, get this blackened ranch. Cause this hitting. Oh yeah. Look how crispy this joint is right here. You see that? And it look like I got it's a little feather on there, but it's cool. Still gonna get 8. That thing crispy. Look at that crunch. But yeah, overall though, by itself plain, it just tastes like Popeyes, like some spicy chicken from Popeyes. But with the black and ranch though, take it to a whole nother level. No cap. That's it. But yeah though, man. I was trying something different today. Cause I usually do reactions, just be chilling. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Like, what y'all, if y'all want some more videos like this. Should I just stick to the reactions or what? How it go? But, you know what I'm saying? Y'all haven't already. Excuse me. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Ring that notification bell so you can stay posted for when I drop. And if you got something that you think I should react to, or you want me to react to, you know what I'm saying? Drop it in the comments below, or follow me on my social medias. It'll be down below in the description box. But yeah, Popeyes chicken, ghost pepper chicken. Overall, it's good. It's not what I expected, but it's still good. But like I said, this right here, take it to a whole nother level. This right here. But yeah, I ain't gonna go on. I already know what the mashed potatoes and the biscuit tastes like. Got a little honey in there too for the biscuit. Decent little meal. But that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video.